ubalula izinto eziwu2. Ibullying, ubalula nokuthi abazali bakho bakushiya at the age of 6 months.
Yeah.
Uyathanda mhlambe usivulela nje kancane usiphe a sneak preview and let us into your world ukuthi kwenzakalani baze bakushiye at the age of 6 months bekushiya e-Underberg ubuza le Eastern Cape, nokuthi mhlambe uma ungasi-highlightela ukuthi le bullying okhuluma ngayo, was it part of the hardships that you experienced growing up?
Well, I don't have much story ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi bangishiya ngina 6 months, but all I knew ukuthi nje uma ungizalayo wafika wangishiya wathi usawufuna umsebenzi, waloke ebuya ezongibona, and then up until like she never came back. Sathola i-call sengiqala grade 1 2 seshonile usengcwatshiwe. I mean, that was pointless, but I cried anyway, but I didn't know what I'm crying for.
You didn't have a relationship with her?
I never seen her. I've never seen her. I've never met her. I've never met my father, my real father. So esikoleni like angifunda ukukhuluma kabi ngabantu abamaZulu, but it was because of my hair and everything. Babengicwasa basically ukuthi wena why unenwele kanje, ngabe uzalwa ngale, you know, like angisafuna usho singake, but yeah. And then family wise, I won't lie, uma wangikholisa, like she treated me like an egg.
Hello, sanibona nidumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Attention business people, you now have an opportunity to partner with the Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka podcast. You can do this either by sponsoring an episode where you can invite us to come and shoot in your business, or you can just send us your product and advertise it for you on your podcast. For more information on these available options to advertise, please contact the numbers below, which are 071 941 9417. Thank you.
Hello, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibonane nezihambela le kude phezulu. Welcome and welcome once again to another beautiful episode of Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka. This is the only podcast that is here to inspire you, educate you, and keep you entertained. And as usual, today we are bringing you another ball of entertainment. As you know, this is Kati Sonyak. Mongabe nje uyi-understand industry nje ama-artist nje wonke ayapheka, abhizi ayapheka, aphekela ukuthi mazithi festive, mazithi yabo babe seberedi ukusidansisa. Kodwa-ke sisakhuluma ngaloko wena ngicela ukuthi ungakhohlwa nje ukuthi noma ngabe umusha noma umdala, ngicela ulike, ngicela ushare uma ukuthi uyafika uyaqala ukusibona today, ngicela wenze njalo-ke nandi button subscribe and keep this community growing, because ukusubscribe wakho nokulike kwakho nokukhomenta kwakho kusenza ukuthi sikhule futhi kuyasikhuthaza ukuthi sibone ukuthi kahle kahle umsebenzi esiwenzayo uyawuthokozela. Ngihleli nosisike namhlanje omuhle. I'm sure ukuthi ngizokuthokozela ukuba naye namhlanje.
Sabona sisonjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Azamuhle, ngihleze ngikubona phela ku-social media kuma-status.
Yebo.
Unyakazisa. Mose useduzane kanti cha ikhamera, le camera oshutha ngayo ngicela uyishintshe.
Why? Ngishintshe nini?
So doing justice. Umuhle kakhulu njengoba ngikubona manje as compared to la makhamera lawa ya.
Asho ukuthi kumele ngishintshe yini?
Hayi, ngeke uyishintshe le camera le. Ngazi ukuthi noma ucameraman ngibona kuphi.
Hayi, mhlawumbe both. Ngenzeka ukuthi both. Ngenzeka.
Ngicela sidlale game before siqale nje i-episode. Ngicela sidlale game. Igama le game is 30 seconds just to test knowledge yakho on the industry.
Okay.
Ma-questions awekho kunzima, angikubonisanga wona kodwa futhi awekho nzima, you won't stress.
Okay.
I'm sure you know.
I'm stressing already.
No, don't stress. You don't have to. The first portion, the answer is simply yes or no. The second portion, you choose.
Okay.
Between the listings of the
All right.
Okay. Producer timers. This game must only last 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
You've got a very few. You cannot be luxurious with your time. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
In and out. Okay, Kamtasa was the second black to win SA Idols.
No.
True or false? Sweet Guluba hails from Tuba Tuba.
No.
Balesa is a hit song by DJ Tira.
Yes.
Now let us choose one artist. Noma just ngathi nje ofuna ukuyi-delete from the internet between uMabulu noLady Aphi.
Naledi. I'm sorry, Naledi, but I have to.
We love you, but you have to be deleted.
Yeah.
Bayingi this is wengema ama siblings.
I'm a siblings.
Khuzani Mthandeni, are you red or blue?
Kuzani.
DJ Zinhle, DJ Tira.
DJ Zinhle.
Delete one genre, house, R&B or piano?
Piano.
How piano? Okay. The Mbini title song, which version do you prefer? By Kelly Khumalo or by Sizwe Wenge?
Kelly Khumalo.
Choose or delete Lwa, Q-Twins or Toya Tereze?
Toya.
I'm choose or I'm delete.
I'm delayed.
Why?
I don't know. Like I had to delay to one. I love them all, guys. I love you all, but I had to delay to one. Yes, I had to. Sanibonani okwesibili nihleli no Asanda Mkhize intokazi yase Underbag entabeni zokhahlamba.
Mkhize makhabaze.
Yebo.
Ufana nabantu Mkhize bamayelo bona ngaze ngimbone umuntu wamkhize oyidakhe abajwayelekile.
Oh, bakhona. Bakhona.
Mkhize siyakubona umuhle lapha ku social media kwenzakalani sicela nje siyazithanda nkosami indaba zabantu yazi siyasiphilisa nje indaba zabantu zenza siphefumule sifuna ukwazi ukuthi Mkhize siyambona ubusy upost izinto engazi ukuthi sizokhala kamnandi ngathi khona into ezokhala somehow. Ubani Mkhize ubani uAsanda uqhamukaphi ukhulelephi?
Okay, Asanda musician and producer futhi.
Wow.
So njoba nimbona female producer. Yes, I know that's the first. No, I know it's not the first. I'm just joking. But yeah, like njoba nimbona busy with social media, busy upusha passion yakhe and unomsebenzi wakhe awuthatha very seriously. So right now I'm busy pushing project engizoyikhipha nenye bese ngiyikhiphile vele in the past, so yeah.
Okay. Uzalelwe kephi? Wakhulela kephi? Ngicela usinikeze nje usibeke esithombeni ukuthi this passion okhuluma ngayo ukuthi uyabhizi uyayiphusha lapha ku social media ibuyaphi?
Okay, ngazalelwa e-Eastern Cape and then ngakhulela e-Underbag. So yes, ngakhulela kaMkhize. Yeah, I don't know if you want me to go into details, but yeah, ngakhulela nje Underbag and then ngafunda nase Hammersdale, and then after Hammersdale ngiza la eThekwini ngazoqhubeka imfundo yami.
Eastern Cape Underbag. Wazalwa wathi umuso uqala ukufunda wamuvelwa ngala noma wamuva abazali?
No, kahle uma wami owengizala nobaba wami kwakwabase Eastern Cape, and then decided to ukuthi ayofuna umsebenzi and then wangishiya eUnderberg. So ngakhulela khona ke Underberg.
Oh, ila uqhubeke khona nokuphila wafunda khona waqeda khona nesikole.
Ila nje ngaphilela khona because I was only 6 months.
Ayimncane ngempela ukusho ukuthi nje yacishe kufana nokuthi uzalelwe khona. The birth certificate nekhombe indawo kodwa ukukhula kwenye indawo.
Yeah, true.
Asanda tshela mina bayabathi there is a story behind every artist.
Yeah.
There is a story behind every successful person esimbonayo.
That's true.
And you are mentioning a passion that you are busy pushing online as Sigbona. Le passion uma uyipusha iqala kanjani? Uzibona nini la ubona khona ukuthi hey ikhona into engikwazi ukuyenza? And the thing was ukuyenza it's music, because you are mentioning a skill that is rare to find umuntu abe artist aphinda producer at the same time.
That's very true.
Kufana nomuntu okwazi ukudlala instrument aphinda abe nevoice enani into engajwayelekile. So wena lezi zinto zo2 ubona kanjani ukuthi I can do either?
Well, funny enough, ngangazi nami. I was only in grade 1 and then babona othisha ukuthi I can sing. Then I started ngifunda grade 4 realizing ukuthi cha ngiyawuthanda music nami. So I started singing ngelapho ke. Wow, that's when I knew ukuthi okay, lento le ngifuna ukuyenza for the rest of my life. Even though ngangikhulela emakhaya, so I actually didn't know ukuthi ngizosuka ngiyephi kanjani, but I knew ukuthi one day kuzokwenzeka.
Yeah. The only thing
Amakhaza kuphela, there are no opportunities, but ngayahama still nakhona futhi it wasn't so easy for me ukuthi ngimindlishe around with abantu bakhona, like ngakhula ngumntwana oshy because I experienced ibullying kancane. So ngaba namahloni ngawithholder, like ukuthi nje ngithanda ini, like I never used to sing at school and nobody knew ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucula. Yeah, up until I went to a college again, that's when I was like, you know what, this is it, you know, let me just go for sound technology, sound technology, and then so that I can be able to produce for myself.
We funded sound tech.
Yes, I had to because I mean, all producer guys, we see awazi lo mhlaba ukuthi unjani ukuthi ungcwele kanjani, you know. So ngase ngibazame like bebaningi. And then nje abanye bazongitshela into eziningi, mostly ke ukushelana. Iyona into yangiphutha off leyo ukushelana. So I was like, let me just study this thing. I want to be able to do it for myself, you know, produce for myself, write for myself, and sing for myself. Yes. So yeah, that's, you know, so it's deeper than that, you know, it's deeper than that. Lento yami music, you know, and nanokuthi la ngakhulela khona indlela engakhuliswa ngayo, and wow, high school njengoba ngisho ukuthi I experienced bullying from ingane esikoleni, even some family members also. So the only thing indlela enga escape ngayo was for me to write music and to sing. I couldn't care, but I loved it because I love to write about love. And I love love with all my heart, you know, even though I was getting a lot of hate, but I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna, you know, let that get into me because I don't want to end up being like abazali bami laba bangishiya ngina 6 months. I want to be more than that. I want to be the opposite of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asanda ubalula izinto eziwu2. Ibullying, ubalula nokuthi abazali bakho bakushiya at the age of 6 months.
Yeah.
Uyathanda mhlambe usivulela nje kancane usiphe a sneak preview and let us into your world ukuthi kwenzakalani baze bakushiye at the age of 6 months bekushiya e-Underberg ubuza le Eastern Cape, nokuthi mhlambe uma ungasi-highlightela ukuthi le bullying okhuluma ngayo, was it part of the hardships that you experienced growing up?
Well, I don't have much story ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi bangishiya ngina 6 months, but all I knew ukuthi nje uma ungizalayo wafika wangishiya wathi usawufuna umsebenzi, waloke ebuya ezongibona, and then up until like she never came back. Sathola i-call sengiqala grade 1 2 seshonile usengcwatshiwe. I mean, that was pointless, but I cried anyway, but I didn't know what I'm crying for.
You didn't have a relationship with her?
I never seen her. I've never met her. I've never met my father, my real father. So esikoleni like ngangifunda ukukhuluma kabi ngabantu abamaZulu, but it was because of my hair and everything. Babe ngicwasa basically ukuthi wena why unenwele kanje, ngabe uzalwa ngale, you know, like angisafuni usho singake, but yeah. And then family wise, I won't lie, uma wangikholisa, like she treated me like an egg. No baba. Yeah, lo se-Underberg. Ungishiye ke noma lo se-Underberg.
bengifuna ukuthi mhlambe wakushiya nogogo wakushiya nomunye umama nje. Lo mama akushiya kuyena, is it a relative? Is it a family is it a relative? Is it umngane or kwakuwumuntu nje amkhethe ukuthi ngicela ungigcinele ingane?
Basically, uMalo Underbeg naye, she has the same story as me. Naye wekhuliswe ifamily ka mawami ongizalayo. So they became like sisters, you know. So like yeah, wangishiya kuyena cause emthemba vele bakhula ndawonye from uma bamshiya ena 2 years old. I mean, ibona ke abazali bakhe they passed away, unfortunately. So yeah, babezana vele from yeah. So she wasn't just a stranger.
What was it with your hair? Now I'm curious.
Bezingekho stiff njengenwele zabantu ba, you know, like, because okay, my father wasn't black. Mengabe besho abamaziyo, like, yeah. So it was that thing. I mean, I never used to take it serious, but I remember there was this one time where it really got into me. Ukuthi othisha, like, they even call me office in baze bakhuluma nami ukuthi no, like, I shouldn't yabo ngayinaki into kanje. So I spent like most of my life ngisekhoneni, like, yeah, nje ngisekhoneni. Yeah,
bullying can be bad. You isolate.
Yes, it is bad. It is bad. Trust me.
I'm so sorry about your parents.
No, it's okay.
And losing your mom, relationship now. I cannot imagine being a girl child going through that, because I don't know what's the word, but makanda, if I may put it there, makanda mama isikhathi esiningi. That is why nginga-understand umuntu wesifazane mengizothi umuntu wesifazane umezingane wesa alive. Yeah. So now you find an escape from the bullying. You find an escape through music.
Yes, I do.
What were you doing? Were you writing music? Were you imitating somebody you were seeing on TV or you were hearing on radio? What was that?
I used to imitate Rihanna a lot. I used to imitate, who is this, Celine Dion. I started singing ka-matric, but nakhona bengacula ukuthi ngicula nje like ngaphandle. Bengicula classini. And my English teacher, she found out, okay, I can sing. As I'm like, I would be shaking and everything because I'm such a, you know. So yeah, and then up until I started writing my own music, which I think it didn't make sense because I was still practicing this thing. Okay.
Wow.
So yeah, music all the way.
What's your favorite South African artist?
You mean right now?
Let's talk about right now.
Okay, I love, okay, I'm a big fan of Sjava. Let me put it out there. Yes, I feel like he's like, I don't know, the best, actually. The best. I love
his writing, the lyrical skills.
Yeah, and I also love umculo owenziwa who. Because it's spiritual and, you know, like everything that she sings about, you know. So and I recently just saw I posted Izolo on TikTok, and then she was like, to my father who left me when I was 1 year old, you know. I was like, wow, now that explains it. You know, that explains it. Music the reason why uganje, because on a message, like most of her songs, I can go mengiazi yamahu ingena message. Yeah.
You are not new in the music industry. Ungene kanjani?
Ngaqala ngalontuza in Hammersdale. I met some few people. Umthunzi lesenimazi manje lesotombili. Yeah, I met them Umthunzi naye, like I was still very, very young and he was supposed to be my mentor, but already ubese, you know, esefikile kulelo zinga leli lokuthi aphushwe and everything. So and then nami ke ngayifundela, and I was working with the agency in NCT Deep. So I approached them and then ke bangithatha and yeah, banginikeza nje yona lo stepping stone abanginikeza yona. So yeah, I'm grateful to them because without them, like nobody was gonna be able to uthi yes.
Potential yokwenza futhi into enje.
True.
Hugs and kisses.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me now, okay, before sifike laphaya, because sisazofika khona anyway. Now, what influences you to change the genre esikwazi ngayo R&B into the genre that we are going to talk about? Oyenza manje.
I always believe ukuthi, like, since we are artists, I mean, I like to call myself an artist, and like, angifuni ukuthi ngistuck yes, like, I mean, abanye like bathi hayi mina ngicula lokhu nalokhu. I like to play around with my voice. I like to find, like, who knows, I might stick to amapiano or deep house or yona R&B only to find out ukuthi I'm not meant to be there, you know. So like, and okay, fine. My first love is R&B because obviously I used to imitate.
R&B song Hugs and Kisses you did way back. How did
it did very well. It did very well. But yeah, I wanted to try other genres also and see ukuthi igephi la nginamandla khona. Yes.
And then I come across your post on social media and I keep on seeing DJing that they're like, yeah. And now what genre are you going release? What genre is that?
It's a three-step. It's a very beautiful song, a three-step, and this ophuma mhla 17.
Three-step, you know.
No, nizozwa ngayo nkosi yami. Yabo nje mhla 17 April. Hayi nizozwa ngayo ukuthi okay, uyakhipha.
Nihlangana phi no DJ?
We actually met Orlando Stadium in Jersey. Yeah, we were both there. Your DJ nami ngiyo performer. So yeah.
I know he's got a good ear for good music because you see it. The proof is in the people that he has worked with.
Yeah.
And my siblings, I think siblings were the best.
Yeah, they were.
I love him, Bali. I love you, Sizwe. But that's how I feel. The music, we kept on longing for more each and every time they were released a song. We kept on longing for more. So now you are moving to this three-step gig. Yonke lento mayikala ikala as in let us just collaborate or I'm signing you in.
No, actually it wasn't like that. I mean, I didn't have a team. So basically ngangihamba with my the photographer.
Okay.
So and then I didn't know what to do. Sengifile manje stage, gcwele stage, nangu Jacob Zuma ngale. Yabo nje angazi yabo until he asked ukuthi okay kwenzakalani, and then okay fine ngamtshela ukuthi okay kumele ngizoperforma lana, but I don't know where to go and stuff, you know. I mean Nkosi yami. Usisi kwakumela ngimanage wathi uzomthola e-stage mase ngifika e-stage angisamtholi, you know. So yeah, like he was gonna help me. Unfortunately something happened there. Yes. Akasabonakala, asatholakala nasefonini. It was embarrassing, like, but then I decided, you know what, let me just dance, you know, just like everybody else. Yeah. Yes, but nami phela ngayilonduzela ukuthi okay, because ngifuna ukumbheka because ngimbonela ukuthi uhleli la kuhleli khona abanye laba yeah. So yeah, that's how we met. Yeah.
So what do we expect from Lende Niphekayo Nino Butsihle or a sneak preview? We want to know, Upega a full album? Is it a single? It's gonna be single after single, or what is it gonna be?
Actually, for now, it's gonna be a single after single after single. Yes, and then the album, like it's coming. It's gonna come for sure. That's for sure.
Ngaphela vele isikhathi sokupheka.
Yes, it is.
So le ezophuma, what is the title of the song?
It's called Intaba. Intaba zothando. Sorry, ngisho ngathi Intaba zokhahlamba. Yeah, I mean everything kumele ibe nendaba phakathi like. I just told you now ukuthi ngiyalithanda uthando, like from the background engiqhamuka kuyona. I love guys, so everything engiyibhala I always have love phakathi. Kuzoba nje ukhona uthando phakathi, noma nje mhlambe ngibhala ngengoma enomgroove phakathi kodwa uthando luzoba khona.
Inomgroove kancane, ngizwile kancane clip yakho inomgroove anyana, so siyajiva vele one time.
Iyajavisana kodwa futhi ngaphinde kwenze usondele kumuntu wakho or ukhale mengathi uyamkhumbula or mengathi ukude kwi long distance relationship izokwenza nje umkhumbule. Yeah.
That's beautiful. Now, i-challenge obhekene nawe yayazi ukuthi yipi?
Ufuna ungitshela?
I-challenge obhekene nawe kwi-industry, which challenges do you normally see amongst the artists in the industry?
Well, ama-challenges engiwabona kakhulu, ngijwayele wabona kulama artists amantombazane. You know, and nanokuthi abantu the artist, they don't want to adapt, they don't want to teach themselves ukuthi okay move ilontos like ngathini kwi-industry vele kuzohlezi kune progress like yeah, that's why abanye ama-musicians uthola ukuthi umuntu benswembu before but usesele emuva because uyahluleka uku-adapta ukuthi okay isikhathi samanje sekwenziwa kanje. Yeah, so iwona ama-challenges engiwabona ukuthi ayabashaya.
Umuntu abe yithi ngo-2025 and 2027 sesiyambuza sesimkhohlile nokuthi ubuya kanjani.
Yeah.
Kodwa mina i-challenge bengizokutshela yona ukuthi you are working with a legend.
I know.
Worked with amazingly talented artists.
Yeah, yes.
Now, challenge you have to up the bar.
I have to. I know it's okay, fine. Kuzophuma indaba zothando manje and ezophuma kumele ibe more than indaba zothando. Kanjalo because nami ngiyafuna vele ukuthi ngifunde like ngiyabonga iloke nyukile. Yeah.
Finally benjalo nje one time awukwazi ukusdropa lesi standard.
I can't.
Wama usdropa thina sesijwayele into exokeme from DJ Mngadi ngoba sizothi wena.
Obviously uzobe kuyimina.
Sizothi wena.
Yeah.
You mentioned ukuthi uya producer. So are you open up to upcoming artists ukuthi eze uzwa producer?
Well, I just finished studying Lontoza sound technology. So, umuntu bengisamproducele mina kuphela, you know.
Okay.
But I am open like because amanye the upcoming artists asafika kumina angibuza ukuthi okay, Asanda, where's your studio blah 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 and then ngwatshela ukuthi okay, for now kanje mabedinga advice, I do give them advice. Yeah.
So ingoma ngesibele ngomeni ingoma iphuma mhla
17 April.
Just give us all the details about ingoma iphuma nini, iphuma kuma platforms and what can you expect from this song?
Okay, izophuma mhla 17 April, which is this month, next week, and izoba khona nje kuwo wonke ama platform akhona. Akhiphe ingoma.
Yes, ithola kuma platforms.
You mean as in my mfuna keep? Oh, okay.
Followers abathanda music abanye bezobe beqala ukubona kule podcast.
Yeah.
Abanye bazobe beqala ukuzwa ngawe but because uhambisana with somebody esimaziyo ukuthi is very very good in what he's doing, they will want to know and they want to follow you. Sithola ke TikTok
Asanda Mkhize. Instagram it's Asanda_Mkhize SA. Facebook, it's Asanda Mkhize. Basically, everywhere it's Asanda Mkhize. For now, go Twitter bengisamile, yeah, because of thinking as okay, but okay, yeah, everywhere it's Asanda Mkhize.
Okay. Ingoma sizoyithola
kuma Spotify, Apple Music, all digital, yeah.
how are we promoting the song? Can we look forward to a launch anytime soon?
Yes, you should. You should look forward to a lot of things. Okay, a lot of things are coming.
Yes, girl. We are waiting. Siyazithanda izinto sithanda ubumnandi sithanda yonke into. So mbukele ekhaya, if uyaqala ukubona u-Asanda today, ngicela umlandele on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Uphinde futhi ulandele ne-Meaningful Conversations with Uzani Mfeka from all the social media platforms. We are there. And make sure ukuthi le ngoma mase iphuma ngomhla ka-17. Be the first.
Yes, please.
Go and download
Please.
and support our local artists.
Please don't forget, and you won't even regret, guys. That song, even when me and Katalo like the whole day I can even listen to it. So akukho okunye phela if ngayipromote obani umunye uzoyipromote, but ke angisho ukuthi ke nabanye phela bangangipromote mase bezwile ama-video wabo nje siyawadinga nkosi yami, so I reposta everything one time, yes.
Now, one last question that I would like to ask you. Navigating the industry itself, is it easy? Is it challenging? Is it stressful? How is it like?
It's everything. It's well, besides being easy, it's very challenging. It is very stressful. It is, I don't know. It needs you to be really persistent about it. And it needs you to be really focused. And it needs you, like, what I've noticed is that most of us artists, like music, we're always expecting what into zokoka same time.
Yeah.
And then mengabe same time, and then you like, ayingeke mina music wami ayibangiroba or shuthi awukho good. Kanti no, like lento lefana nokuya e-university uyofundela ukuba udokotela like 5 years, 7 years or whatsoever. Yabo, you have to nje uyinikeze nje ithuba lokuthi okay fine, ngizokwenza lo music, I wanna grow, ifame nani izongithola endleleni. Nemali as well. Or surprising, ke ukuthi hey ingena imali or whatsoever, but yeah.
Now, ngicela ungi-advisele upcoming or somebody who's ozbonayo ukuthi I've got a talent, but somehow uyazidoubt ukuthi I can do this thing. Ngibona ngazokuthi nzima lento abantu abakuyona banje or baphezulu kunami mina ngisuke emafarm, like you mentioned ukuthi ukhulele Underberg endaweni esemakhaya enganakekile nje futhi I'm not even sure ukuthi abantu abaningi bayayazi because indawo nje encane esemakhaya excluded nje. Uthola ukuthi umuntu kuleyo ndawo kodwa uyazibona ukuthi unetalent, emile phambi kwesibuko noma mecula eshawoni uyazi ukuthi cha ikubest. Sibathola kanjani abantu sibabuyisele endaweni yabo babe la bedeserve ukuba khona?
What I can say ukuthi if ukule ndawo ezifana nalezo, you have to know ukuthi okay, you have to work hard and wazi ukuthi umephi, and don't even put it in your head ukuthi ngisemakhaya it's impossible for me to make it. No, what you have to do is to work hard, keep on working hard, and one day it's gonna happen. Trust me, it is gonna happen. There is gonna be a way, there is gonna be a way. So don't give up, keep on pushing, keep on doing your thing. Someone is gonna find you, and don't be afraid to approach people. Asebephumelele vele. Abanye bazokuphendula, abanye ke baze bakuphendule, but there will be that one person ozobona ukuthi there is something about you. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
So zweleke mbukele ekhaya uma ngathi ngisho anything njengamanje ukuthi ngabe nje mina nje ngifuna ukuzifakela udaba nje, ngifuna ukumosha because usitshela sisters ukuthi keep on pushing your passion, do what you do best. Somebody uzokudiscover ngoba nalo ophezulu esimbonayo today la ekhona wa discover
omunye umuntu. Yeah, that's very true.
Okay.
Okay,
masifuna lapha sicinga sitype search indaba
Indaba zothando.
Masearch solandela into ehamba kanjani awusithi nje halamuzi.
Okay, izobethi ngizofuna ngicela le part le vele ekhuluma ngentaba and nothando. Kude le ngale kwezontaba, kude le lapho khona. Kude le ngale kwezontaba, kude le lapho khona.
Seyiphelile njalo.
No, like iyaqhubeka obviously.
Okay.
Ngalinda ngithi maybe uzongishayela. Ngabheka iposi ngithi maybe uzongibhalela. Wesandwa sami, wesoka lami, usekhona na, ngikulindile. Oh gosh.
Hayi silindile nathi ngoma. Ulindiselo sakho nathi silindile ngoma.
Okay, bye guys, and ngiyabonga sisi for having me. It was nice ukukhuluma nawe.
Thank you so much.
Angathi ngahlala ngabusahamba.
Hlala kusekhaya. Indaba zothando. Watch it out on social media platforms.
Yes.
On all digital platforms.
Everywhere guys, everywhere nje.
Me signing out. Love and peace.
Attention business people, you now have an opportunity to partner with the Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi and Mfeka podcast. You can do this either by sponsoring an episode where you can invite us to come and shoot in your business, or you can just send us your products and advertise it for you on the podcast. For more information on these available options to advertise, please contact the numbers below, which are 071 941 941 7. Thank you.